Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin, a new exchange that just got listed on, and much more news. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, listen up. Basically, all you have to do is deposit $1 on Public, the social investing app with the first link in our description. You will get up to $70 worth of free stock when you deposit that $1, and then you could just sell the free stock that you get and then invest it into Shiba Inu coin. And boom, you're going to have some free Shiba Inu coin, adding to the market cap, adding to the price, trying to get us to 1 cent. So do that with the first link in our description. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com, and you can see that we are up 17% today. Now I am making this the night before it's going to be released, so the information or the price might be a little bit updated when I obviously wake up and post this. But anyways, I will give you guys the most up-to-date news that I can right now. And anyways, basically, if you guys weren't at the live stream today, we went over a lot of stuff, and you guys should probably get into the live streams if you guys want to ask me questions or Kyle questions, or anything of that nature. Make sure you guys subscribe to do that. But anyways, Shiba Inu Coin obviously up 17%, looking extremely good. Now let's check the social activity real quick. You can see here on StockTwits, we are not sponsored by StockTwits, by the way. We just use the platform, and you can see that Shiba Inu Coin is the #1 most active cryptocurrency or stock, more than double the next one. You can see that we are also the most added to watch list. This is even above Dogelon Mars, which has been having a very good day today, I will say, but not as good as Shib, obviously. And then we can come here to Lunar Crush, and you can see that Shib is the 8th trending token, and these update like every 10 minutes. So when Shib is in here, you know, you can pretty much expect for Shib to be doing well, because they literally update it like so often. You can see here that the social metrics are all green, which is exactly what we want for the cryptocurrency to do well when we're checking the Lunar Crush volume and all that. Okay, now let's get into the news for today. So there's a few different things. We went over this in the live stream, but I just want to give you guys an update. Basically, this whale, Ethereum whale Tsunade, just bought $66 billion, or sorry, 66 billion Shib, not dollars, I wish. 66 billion Shib, which is worth about $5 million. Here's a transaction link if you guys, you know, don't believe it. Obviously you should. Something that is very interesting here though is that this Ethereum whale now holds, I believe it's 1.7 trillion Shiba Inu token, and it's valued at, sorry about that, it is valued at $132 million. So this one whale is holding $132 million of Shiba Inu token. So you might be thinking, hey Zach, what does that even mean? Why does that matter? Basically, whenever whales add to their position and they have a massive position, you can expect something to be coming soon. So that is what, hey, I'm not saying that he's a Robinhood executive or some collusions going on, some insider trading, but he probably knows something because he has all this money, probably has a lot of friends that know a lot about a lot of things. So that is just something to note. The next thing is the title of this video. There's a new exchange that listed Shiba Inu Coin, and that's going to be CoinSquare. So we did it starting today. Shiba Inu Coin will be available on Quick Trade. With our cryptocurrency portfolio constantly growing, keep your eyes peeled for future updates. Will you be hodling Shib? So basically, this is obviously not a massive crypto exchange. However, this is just something I wanted to point out with an overall trend of Shiba Inu Coin at the moment. If you guys noticed, you know, our sponsor Public recently, it's pretty much a stock exchange, but then they kind of added, just like Robinhood, just a few cryptocurrencies, but they got out Shiba Inu Coin pretty quickly as well. So did CoinSquare. CoinSquare got their Shiba Inu Coin quickly as well, as soon as they saw, hey, we're going to make a ton of money if we can actually list this, because people are buying this at an insane volume. So this is just an overall trend. Pretty much any exchange worth their money is going to be listing Shiba Inu Coin, and it shows here. Robinhood is one of the last people to do it, which is very, very weird in my opinion, but we won't go on about Robinhood too much today. But for our daily update, I do want to go over how many signatures that Robinhood does have to list Shiba Inu Coin, and that is 420,000 signatures. This was just at 300,000 signatures maybe a week ago. Like there are an absurd amount of people signing this thing, and obviously we've talked about this ad nauseum. Like we have talked about this into the ground. Robinhood knows. Robinhood, if you just check their Twitter, you can literally see that it is literally just spammed with, when are you going to list Shiba Inu Coin? When are you going to list Shiba Inu Coin? So if you look here, you can see what happened in crypto this week. Why don't you talk about Shib? Any word when you're going to list Shib? But where is Shib on that list? Shib moved more than all of them. So yeah, I mean, literally, they have to be annoyed at this point. They're going to crack at some point. But anyways, one more piece of news before we go into our technical analysis. I do want to talk about this, and it is a DM that someone sent. They said, hello, to CoinMarketCap. Hello, I'd like to ask about this Shib circulating supply. It seems like it's incorrect. I would like to know what the correct supply should be. CoinMarketCap said, hi there, thanks for bringing this to our attention. Our team has been advised that they have already fixed this. So they then said, why are you telling people that you fixed it when you're still showing wrong data? We have talked about this a lot in our previous videos, so if you guys want to see our takes on the circulating supply situation, go ahead and watch our older videos in the past couple of days. We have talked about this supply issue. I don't want to go over it in this video because we've talked about it so much. But anyways, here we are on coinmarketcap.com, and you can see that the overall crypto market is up 0.46% over the last day to about $2.64 trillion. Now that is going to have Shiba Inu Coin above Dogecoin, and the 9th highest crypto by market cap. You can see that they have about $3 billion more than Dogecoin does in market cap. And when we come in here, you can see the volume is still at an astounding $13 billion. And yeah, if you take a look at the holders, you can see that the holders are sitting at about 850,000. So we're approaching a million, and we will probably get there sometime mid-November, in my opinion, possibly in early December. But overall, Shiba Inu Coin doing extremely well. A trend that we haven't specifically talked about, but I do want to bring up on today's video for this technical analysis. Well, first of all, the MACD is trending down right now, but it is looking like it is trying to make its way back up. And then also the RSI sitting at a 50, which is great because that means it's not overbought, it's not oversold. We're sitting right in the middle. But we do have an ascending triangle formation here. And if you guys didn't know, this is a bullish formation right here. So basically the ascending triangle, it starts with a lot of volume, and then it slowly consolidates and gets to here until it breaks out. And we're close, we're very close to a breakout point here. If we can get above about the 77 level today or early tomorrow, we will be breaking out of this ascending triangle and blowing past all-time highs, trying to shed that zero. So this is just a overall macro trend that I wanted to bring to your guys' attention. But yeah, that is going to be it for Shiba Inu Coin today. If you guys did get any value or entertainment out of this video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. We are on the road to 100K by Christmas. If you guys could help us out in that endeavor, that'd mean the world. Make sure you guys comment how many Shiba Inu Coins you hold, because we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. Get your free stock with the first link in the description so you guys can change that stock into Shib, get some free Shib. Everyone wins. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.